to my channel. Let's just get right into the video today. Hope you enjoy. As you guys can see, we've been gifted these beautiful, enormous 3 bags of carrots from a local garden here. And I need to come up with a bunch of ways, creative ways to use them quickly. Of course, I think we're gonna end up giving some of them away, but it did get my creative juices flowing as far as like what different recipes and how many different things can I make with these carrots. I just have to show you guys the sheer size of some of these. I don't know if I can I don't know if you can tell in relation to like the size of my thumb, but these are like some of the hugest carrots I've ever seen in my entire life. But yeah, we're gonna be making a few different recipes and they're all gonna be based around the wonderful, edible, nutritious, delicious carrot. You can be my carrot helper. You can help me pick out the good ones for all the stuff we're gonna make.
I know this one's a good one.
Let's definitely use that one today. Go put it on the counter.
Next to you.
What is it?
A spider.
Ah! So far Peyton picked out 2 good carrots. Peyton, can you try to find 3 more?
And one for Mommy.
Wow, thank you. So this recipe we decided to call Vegan Not Dogs, and you'll see in the video how we kind of came up with this name, but it was so delicious, you guys. The whole family loved it. About 1.5 cups of water, just because of the amount of carrots I'm cooking. So I'm probably going to be adding a little more water than this. Done with the initial steaming of we need to come up with like a vegan word for the hot dogs. You know how like we say like nice cream instead of ice cream? Put in the comments below if you have a good vegan word for these vegan hot dogs. Like not dogs? Oh wait, that one's kind of good. Vegan not dogs. So anyway, you'll notice I actually accidentally got busy with the kids and I overcooked them a little bit. Burnt food isn't that good for you actually. Something I've learned recently. But I thought actually, I scraped a little bit of it off, and I thought it actually kind of gave it a little bit of a grilled hot doggy effect. So I think I'm just going to kind of leave it like that. Now we're going to go ahead and put it into our marinade. You want to be super careful doing this. You don't want to break them. And now it's going to soak up that yummy juice. And you're going to want to let it marinate for 4 hours. In the fridge until you're ready to cook, but definitely no less than 4 hours. So here are my beans that I've soaked overnight, of course, black beans, and this is a mixture of my kidney beans and my pinto beans. Look at the beautiful colors of the pinto beans, all marbled and sort of like different tones. Love that. We're gonna go ahead and just dump off the rinse water. I'm sorry, the soap water. my nicely rinsed and soaked beans that I'll be ready to go into the Instant Pot. Navy and pinto beans. I'm going to put those in the Instant Pot first because the black beans don't take as long. So we're going to need to first cook the navy and pinto beans, which need the same amount of time, for 10 minutes. Steam release, add the black beans and cook for 15 more minutes, and everything should be done at the same time. We're also going to need to add some water, just enough to completely cover the beans. My beautiful vegetable soup that I made last night we're going to have along with our vegan hot dogs. Release it this time because I just want to get this thing over with so that we can add our black beans. And look at our wonderful carrot hot dogs. I mean our not dogs. We have about 4:45 left on those.
Do you like my hair?
Let me see. Oh my gosh, I do. Now I'm going to add my black bean. I found these other onion parts that just need to get used up so they'll flavor everything really nicely. See that? So now you just want to go ahead and put the lid back on. Put it back on seal. I turned it off. Now we're going to restart it. We're going to hit beans again. This time for 15 minutes. And you're good to go. It's the exciting part. And you guys, I got so excited I almost forgot to film. Everything is ready. And I'm making all the plates. I'm making all the vegan hot dogs, or not dogs. Made our nice beautiful soup. And for this recipe, check my previous video. And I have the exact recipe for this soup right here, but it's topped with hummus, salt and pepper, little hot sauce and nutritional yeast. Hot dogs, we're doing chopped onions and hummus, ketchup and mustard. Tia, what do you think about the vegan hot dog?
It's amazing. It tastes like just like a real one.
Are you serious? All right, moment of truth, Ronnie. My non-vegan husband.
From this side.
Process here that we got going on.
It's actually not bad.
Nice.
Yeah,
Not bad as in like, is it good?
it is good. It does seem like a hot dog.
It does seem like a hot dog. It's a win. I hope you guys enjoyed our video on what to do with a bunch of carrots. Here's some other recipes I made using the carrots. And of course, don't forget just to prep yourself some good snacks. Carrot sticks in a container in the fridge is a win every time, just to get you and your family eating a little healthier options. Guys, as always, from our family to yours, thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful, blessed week.